Lillian.
Okay, Lillian. What symptoms first brought you into Palmetto Physical Medicine?
Pain in my right knee.
Pain in the right knee. Okay. How bad were those symptoms on a scale from 1 to 10 at their worst?
8.
8. Okay. Now, it being an 8, that probably affected some of the things day to day for you. So, how, if so, was it affecting your daily life?
I had a hard time standing up at doing dishes or cooking and even getting up out of a chair.
Mm. Okay. So even the simple things kind of became difficult.
Yes. Getting in and out of the bathtub. Oh.
God. I know you love those bubble baths. What kind of services did you get at Palmetto for the knee?
I got stem cell injection.
Okay. And as far as that injection, did we do anything else with you? Did we give you any sort of medical equipment or rehab for the knee or anything like that?
I had a brace for my knee.
Okay.
A brace for my ankle because my ankle was turning in. And I had a brace for my head. For my back.
Okay, yes. That's not a brace, but
okay.
That's like a weighted system.
Yes.
Gets that curve back in the spine. Okay, and then I believe you had just very few rehab sessions for the knee.
Right.
Like 4, I think,
right.
total. Okay, how was your experience with those services and with the staff that we have here?
Oh, great.
Yeah?
Great, especially the massages.
Oh, yes. That's normally people's favorite
yes.
part. Okay. Well, since you've had the stem cell injection, how would you say you've improved?
I'd say I have improved in that particular knee at least 85 to 90%.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
I can go up and down steps without any problem. I mean, even people at church are amazed, and they're asking questions about Palmetto.
Outstanding. Are there any other ways that it's kind of changed your life having the knee back?
Yes. Well, I had a year prior, I had a knee replacement on my other knee.
Okay.
So I didn't want to go that route again, which is terrible. And so I did this as a comparison. And would you believe I still have problems with my left knee? The knee replacement still hurts. And that's 2 years ago.
Yeah. And how's the right compared?
The right is good.
Outstanding. Okay. Well, would you ever recommend Palmetto Physical Medicine to friends or family?
Yes. Yes, I have.
Absolutely. All right. Well, that was it. Great job, Lillian. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you allowing us to do that for you before you left today. I didn't want to have to try to bring you back in,